So your next project is called Single Theme Shooting. It's rather simple. You pick an item and you're going to take 25 pictures of that item. Now it's going to be 25 different pictures. So for example, if your item is a car, you will take 25 pictures of different cars. Not 25 pictures of the same car, you would have 25 different cars. The goal is to have as many of one theme as possible. I'm limiting you to 25 just so we don't have to spend forever doing this. After you upload your pictures to your computer, you're going to use Photoshop to put them all into one image and then save that image and submit that as your final picture. So this video will show you how to use Photoshop to make that collage style picture. So let's go ahead and open up Photoshop, press your Start button, All Programs, scroll down to the Adobe Design Premium CS5 folder, and click Adobe Photoshop CS5 64-bit. When Photoshop opens up, you need to go to File and Open. And I have already put a template into all of your home drives that has 25 slots for your pictures. Mine is right here, so you're looking for something that says this, Single Theme Template. So you're going to go ahead and open that picture up. So there are 25 different squares here that you are going to fill up with the 25 pictures you take of whatever your object or item may be. Instead of opening each picture separately, or instead of loading them into a stack, you are going to place the pictures on top of this grid. So you go to File, Place, and then you need to find your pictures. So yours should be in your home drive in a folder that says Single Theme Shooting. I'm just going to use some pictures from the Student vs. Teacher volleyball game. So when you place a picture, if I start with the first one here, it comes in here and you can resize it. So what I'm going to do is move it and then resize it so it matches the grid. That's it. Hit the check mark. And then if it didn't quite match up and you have some white space, if that really bothers you, you can click on the picture and click Show Transform Controls to where you can actually resize the picture again. So it's up to you if a little bit of tiny white space bothers you, and then you hit the check mark, click off of the Show Transform Controls box, and then you can move on to the next one. So you would go back to File, Place, click the next picture in your group, click Place, and then you would match that one up to the next spot, and then resize that one. Click the check mark, move on to the next one. File, Place, until you have all 25 pictures put in. So as long as you have the template, all you have to do is really just match them up and resize them so they fit in, and you don't have to worry about them being the exact right size. So go all the way across, all the way down, fill in every single square, then you would go to File, Save As, change your format to a JPEG, and then name it Single Theme Final, whatever you want to call it, and then save it and submit it. Remember, when you click Save the first time, it's going to ask you how big of a file size you would like. I always tell you to drag it all the way to the right so you get the biggest file size, and then click OK. After that, you can submit it to your Google Classroom post, and you're all finished.